What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share a folder on Google Drive on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up the Drive app on your phone guys. Here you want to navigate to files, and here you will be able to find your files and folders that are on your phone. Here you can see I have a folder by the name of test. Now in order to share this folder with someone, you can simply click the three dots towards the right hand side, then tap on share. Now from here you have the option to add the email address. So let's say I'm going to add an email address right here, and you want to know select how that person can view the folder. So if you want to give them editor's access, you can give them. Otherwise you can switch that by giving them viewer or commenter, but for the time being let's give them the editor's access. Now you can choose to notify the person by basically sending an email. So I'm going to simply write a message, hi, you have access. Simply go ahead and then click on the send button on the upper right hand side, and that's going to send them an email telling them that they have access to this folder. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple. I know I'm going to show you what that email looks like because I have that email also signed into my phone. So I'm going to swipe down here for a moment, open up that email address here where I can find that email, and here you will see that you will receive an email just like this, and it will show you that this person sent you an email and this is the folder that you have access to, when it was last, and all these different things. And you can go ahead and open it by simply clicking this button here that says open, and you can open up that email from that account. That's how the person will basically view it, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.